Good evening, everybody. Jennifer Wygant here. Wanted to share a little bit about Zoom tonight. I'm going to bop around a little bit and show you about the assignment that I have that is part of my technology paper. We are able to see who else is in our meeting here. We can move around here and I can share different things with you. Here is my main screen. What I wanted to share with you is the assignment and rubric that is part of the paper that I've done. I'm hoping that we are getting all of this on camera. Our assignment is underneath, and the assignment is something that the students are familiar with, and so we had put the rubric right on top, so there is no question about what is expected. The point value, each assignment is worth 3.5 points, and it will be online also, and it will be expected to be complete. Each student will get information in order to complete this assignment. Technically, this was developed to be done in the clinical setting, face-to-face, but it can be just as easily done online. So we are going to now share the case study that was developed for this program itself. Here's the case study. We have developed student number 1 that is going to read this case study, answer the questions that follow. As part of that original prep sheet that you were able to see with the rubric that, like I said, they're familiar with. Clear instructions. You've now completed your portion of the case study. Please send it to your instructors via email. Here's the second person in yellow. So as they complete their portion, they are to submit it to the instructor, and we will then submit it to everyone after we have corrected it and looked at it. This is going to be in lieu of face-to-face clinical, and hopefully the debriefing period and the Q&A period that usually takes the longest will be beneficial to the students, as they will have every availability to ask questions about the assignment. Thanks so much. Have a great night.